Imagine this: a sleek logo, catchy slogan, and products with your unique design. You control everything from the manufacturing process to the customer experience. Sounds pretty cool, right? But then reality hits. Building a brand from scratch requires serious investment. Designing, manufacturing, warehousing, marketing, the list goes on. Can feel overwhelming, especially for aspiring entrepreneurs. But what if there was a way to bypass those initial hurdles? A way to test the waters of brand ownership without breaking the bank? That's where platforms like AliDropship come in. They specialize in dropshipping, a business model where you sell products you don't physically hold. You act as the middleman, connecting customers with suppliers who handle fulfillment. But can AliDropship take things a step further and allow you to sell your own branded products? That's the question we're tackling today. Let's dive into the world of AliDropship and see if it can be your launchpad into brand ownership. The allure of AliDropship. AliDropship offers a compelling solution for aspiring entrepreneurs. They provide you with a pre-built online store, complete with product listings, payment gateways, and marketing tools. It's like having a turnkey business ready to roll. All you need to do is focus on marketing and customer service. The real beauty of dropshipping lies in its low upfront costs. You don't need to invest in inventory, which eliminates a massive financial burden. Plus, with AliDropship, you have access to a vast network of suppliers on AliExpress, a giant online marketplace. This gives you a wide range of products to choose from, allowing you to cater to a variety of customer needs. The dropshipping dilemma. Branding. However, the dropshipping model comes with its limitations, especially when it comes to branding. Here's the catch. You're essentially selling the same products as countless other dropshippers using AliExpress. This makes it difficult to stand out from the crowd and build brand loyalty. Customers might prioritize the lowest price, leading to a race to the bottom on profit margins. More importantly, you have minimal control over the product itself. You can't customize the design, packaging, or even the product description in many cases. This makes it challenging to create a unique brand identity and connect with customers on an emotional level. So, can you sell your own products on AliDropship? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. AliDropship, and most dropshipping platforms for that matter, aren't designed for selling custom-made products. They rely on pre-existing inventory from suppliers. But wait, there's a twist. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to give up on your brand ownership dreams. Here are a few ways to leverage AliDropship while building your brand. Private labeling. This involves putting your own logo and branding on existing products. While it doesn't involve complete design control, it allows you to differentiate yourself from other dropshippers. You can often work with suppliers to customize packaging or add inserts with your brand story. Curated collections. Instead of selling random products, use AliDropship to curate a collection of items that reflect your brand identity. Focus on a specific niche and choose products that complement each other aesthetically and functionally. This approach allows you to tell a story with your product selection. Build brand loyalty. Even though you can't completely customize the products, you can control the customer experience. Focus on excellent customer service, fast shipping options, and personalized communication. Build trust with your customers and they'll keep coming back for more, regardless of the specific product they're buying. Beyond AliDropship, building your brand. While AliDropship offers a valuable starting point, remember it's just a stepping stone. As your brand grows, you'll likely want to explore other avenues. Here are some next steps to consider. Find a print-on-demand service. These services allow you to create custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You upload your designs, and the service handles printing, fulfillment, and shipping. This gives you more creative control and allows you to offer unique branded merchandise. Work with a manufacturer. Once your brand gains traction, consider partnering with a manufacturer to produce your own line of products. This requires a larger upfront investment but allows for complete control over design, quality, and pricing. AliDropship can be a great platform to test the waters of entrepreneurship and build a customer base. However, it's not a long-term solution for building a strong brand identity. Use it as a springboard to explore private labeling, curated collections, and exceptional customer service.